This is for men who want to feel strong again, move better, and take control of their health. Simple habits, real results. Mobility, strength, nutrition. Do the basics well and everything changes. 3 simple movements to start your day and unlock your body. First up, high knees to wake up your full lower system. Next, body weight good mornings to open up your hips and protect your back. Then you got squats to build control, balance, and joint strength. So you move better first, so everything else works better. 3 essential exercises that rebuild real-world strength. First up, lunges to build powerful, stable legs 1 step at a time. Push-ups to develop upper body strength and core control. Rows to strengthen your back, improve posture, and balance your whole body. Strength is built, not found. Start simple, stay consistent. Real, whole foods that build you up. Give your body the fuel for strength, energy, and recovery. My King Cranberry Smoothie is designed to fuel your energy, sharpen your focus, and support recovery. Every single ingredient has a purpose: to energize your body, support digestion, and help you feel lighter, stronger, and more alive. Eat to build, eat to perform, and eat to thrive. Listen, if you found any of this helpful and you want more simple, practical guidance to help you become the strongest version of yourself, I have lots more to share. So let's talk.